with having fun in the sun, and you're gonna have plenty of fun in the sun with these printed side ruched swimsuit with ties on clearance. Wow, you're saving $35. That's $34.99. Sizes are, I'll let Beth talk about the sizes and the fit as well, because these are interesting. They're different. They're bathing suit sizes. There's no reorder on these. Let me show you the colors. Here is the luminous pink tile. Stunning. Here is black palm. And here is a really gorgeous multi-safari palm. That makes me want to go on vacation. All right, and here's your size chart. And
thank you.
Beth will definitely go into detail on how to pick your best sizes. But here they are. So it looks like it goes, well, up to size 16.
I think it's 2 through 28. I think we still have. I'm not 100% positive.
All right.
I think so.
Take it away, my dear.
Yes, these were designed to coordinate with your QVC size, but I encourage you to look at the size chart and look at the measurements there and find your best size. So I'm normally a 4 QVC. I looked at the size chart. I'm a double D, so I went up to the 6, and that's how I got my perfect fit. You are getting all of the bells and whistles here in this incredible value. Let's start with the print. This is a place print, actually, wrong side. This is a place print. So it actually has to be placed this way on every single size. You're getting that beautiful tile print here, gorgeous colors, chlorine resistant color, so the colors never fade. You're getting roll resistant elastic at the armholes, at the leg opening, so that nothing's ever rolling up or down on you. There is a functional tie on the side, so you can kind of cinch that up a little bit more, and notice how it sweeps across the body and then gives you this little bit of ruching here. So very flattering fit. And then you can adjust it a little bit with this tie. You're getting very stretchy, comfortable straps here, all 4-way stretch throughout. The straps are adjustable. And then the most important thing, I don't know if you can turn it inside out, but on the inside, you're getting molded cups. On the inside, and those are sewn in place so they won't float away on you while you're wearing this, and they really do give you support. There's interior mesh and a band that also gives you that support and lift. That was, believe me, my first question when Susan said she was bringing the Soleil collection in swimsuits. I was like, wow, what will the support be like? Because so many, I've had to actually wear an underwire bikini bra, like a bikini underneath a swimsuit to get the support. I don't need to do that here.
No,
Thank you
won't.
for showing that inside construction.
I mean, and you don't have to worry about showing anything. My kids, they jump on me in the pool. They tug on me. They dump water on me, like all kinds of things. And I don't want to have any slip ups, you know? Nothing's going to slip out with these.
But I'm glad you brought that up. It's tacked in here, so nothing, no wardrobe malfunctions. You can swim in this comfortably. And you just know that you're getting something that fits beautifully, comfortably, gives you the support, gives you all of that chlorine resistant color. And by the way, UPF 50 in this suit. So anywhere the suit is covering, you are protected from the sun.
Amazing. Sizes 2 through 32. That's on clearance for $34.99. Let's go through the colors. There's your black palm. Multi-safari palm. I'm loving that. And luminous pink tile. That's the Soleil printed side ruched swimsuit with ties, A636606. All right, well, here's something fun. Here is a